Alright guys, I had to do it. We're finally done. Let's get out of here. Let's get the heck out of here. I'm never doing this again. Oh crap, not again. Not a tunnel. Hey guys. What the? That guy's riding a scooter. Watch out! He's gonna hit us! He's gonna hit us! Oh. He did not hit us. Guys! A skateboard. They have a skateboard. They have a skateboard. Yeah, we guys see. Hey guys. Oh, look at the water. Oh, that's so cool. Let's go back. Alright guys, so if y'all like my waterfall vlog videos, just make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below to see what do you think of the waterfall. Yeah, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and leave a comment below. Yeah, and that's it guys. Bye bye.